She made my coffee before I spoke. I said nothing. That was Tuesday, at the small shop. Every morning, I buy coffee near my office. It is a small shop with a green door. I go there at 8:15. I always order the same thing. A large iced coffee, less ice, please. That is all I say. I am not good at talking in the morning. The same woman is always behind the counter. She has short black hair and a big smile. She wears a small name tag on her shirt. I never read it. I only look at my phone. Then I take my cup and go to work. I ask for less ice for one reason. Too much ice makes the coffee weak. I do not like weak coffee. But I feel bad to ask for something special. So I say it fast and very quiet. On Tuesday, everything was late. My bus was slow. I ran to the shop. 4 people were in the line. I looked at the clock on the wall. 8:25. I had 10 minutes. In the line, I said my sentence in my head. A large iced coffee, less ice, please. I do this every morning. Then, it was my turn. The cup was already on the counter. It was in front of me. Ice, coffee, and a lid. I looked at her. She smiled. Less ice, right? She said. I did not say my sentence. I said, yes. Then I said, thank you. I took the cup and went outside. There were small letters on the side of the cup. 2 words, less ice. She writes it every morning. I never looked at my cup before. I drank my coffee on the street. It was strong. It was not weak. It was right. I was 5 minutes late for work. Nobody said anything. Now I go to the same shop. Same green door, same 8:15. But now I look at my cup first. And I read the tag on her shirt. Her name is Nora. She knows my coffee. Now I know her name. And every morning I say 2 things. Less ice, please. And, good morning, Nora. Thank you for listening to Slow English Listening. Come back tomorrow, and listen with me again.